All right, this is the 2018 Kia Soul. Can you please give me a thumbs up, a like? Please also subscribe if you'd like to as well too. I am going to show you in this Kia Soul how to change the drive mode, okay? The drive mode in this vehicle. I'm in the driver's side part of the vehicle. If you look at the steering wheel, there is a bunch of buttons right here, okay? There is a drive mode button, as you can see that. So I'm gonna press it once, and look, on the steering wheel, I'm gonna try to get in close so you can see it. You see that right there? It says Eco right there, all right? It says Eco. That stands for economy, so it's gonna save you more gas when you drive under Eco. I'm gonna press the drive mode again. It goes off, okay? That's the normal driving mode. And if I press Eco again, or the drive mode again, it turns on, and Eco, right? The Eco, right? Economy mode. So you can go to economy mode. You can save a lot of gas driving this Kia Soul by pressing this drive mode button, okay? Let me know if you have any questions at all. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to give me a like. Thanks a lot.